guys. What is your favorite pair of shoes to ride in, and why is it Vans? I don't know. I guess you can like feel the controls more. I don't know. I just like them. I've been trying to wear my boots more, but we're not doing anything crazy today. I feel like I haven't done an actual moto vlog in a while. Gotta turn the music down so I can hear myself talk and think. I just haven't really felt like talking much, you know? Like I've just been enjoying the ride. We're doing some exploring today. I came out here once before and the GoPro just died. And so all the footage was gone. Gosh, it is windy today and the bugs are out. I'm getting peppered here. My visor's already covered. Turn off. I want you to stop taking screenshots. There we go. Why are you in the middle? Stay in your lane. What? Did you see that? Homie was in the middle of his car. He was in the middle of his car. What? Oh. We're riding for 5 minutes and I'm already covered in bugs. This is a really bad place for a hole. Hole in the road, dead thing, gravel. This is why riding in Oklahoma is so fun. Gravel, potholes, dead things, you just never know. Random patches in the road that are just like more gravel. Freaks me out when the road turns white, you know? It's just not it. Not my thing. Cows. Gotta say something about cows in almost every video, I feel like. Windy up here. I forget where I turned around at. I think I went like up there, and that way the road gets like this. And it's not fun, you know? I think we're just gonna pull up right here. Perfect. That's what I want. Right there. Hit me. Nobody hit me. Nobody hit me. Alright, no, the bike didn't blow up. The coolant reservoir blew up and burnt me a little bit, as you saw in one of those videos I posted previously. So essentially what happened was, maybe a week or two before I went to the track, my buddy and I... About a week or two before we went to the track, my buddy and I both did the emissions delete. And so the little charcoal canister that's there, and there's another one up inside by the radiator. Get away, go. I'm trying to make a video. So we both got the block-off plates and installed those and got rid of the emissions system and all that stuff, and then retuned our bikes. And we went to Hallett, ran at Hallett, the whole day went great. Everything worked like a charm, no problems whatsoever. And then I went out for maybe, I think, one ride after that. And on the second ride, I didn't realize how hot it was outside, but apparently it was like 100 degrees. But it had been like mid-80s for the whole week before that, and so I wasn't even thinking about it. So we got off the highway and we're putting through town. You know, we're gonna go get some tacos. And I'm at a red light, and then out of the coolant reservoir comes just a bunch of steam. My hand's burnt, and so I pushed it into a parking lot, and I was like, crap, why did it just overheat? You know, is there something wrong with the temp sensor or the radiator cap or something? But I bring it home, I don't touch it for a couple days. Like you saw my hand in the previous video, but it's relatively healed. It's just fine right now. It wasn't really a big deal. There I am. I've got the whole bike taken apart, trying to figure out what went wrong. You know, I'm checking lines, checking all my coolant hoses, and trying to make sure everything's good. So I've got everything apart. I'm looking at it, and then right in here, under where the airbox is, sticking up was a plug, and the wire went down to the fan. So I went over here to this side, I looked at the fan plug and the wiring harness. It was not plugged in. So I ran all day at Hallett, the ride before that, the ride after that, and then the whole day before it actually overheated with no fan. And 90% of the time when I ride, I've got earplugs in or I've got music going, so I don't really listen for when the fan kicks on. And it's not like it's a jet engine of an R6 fan, so I don't typically hear it when it kicks on or off. So I plugged it in, put everything back together, let it heat cycle a couple times, the fan kicked on, kicked off, kicked on, it cooled down, it kicked off. Everything was great. Everything was perfect. It makes sense why I didn't have any problems at the track, because a lot of people delete the fans on race bikes because your bike's always moving. You don't have that traffic problem. The bike's sitting at low idles for long periods of time because it's always moving. It's always got airflow going through it. So it stayed relatively cool. Not my proudest moment, but we're over it now and everything's fine. I want to take a picture right there. Yep. Yeah. This is it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is it. You know what I'm saying? I'm stuck. I'm still stuck. Oh, come on. All right. I'll just push it like a pleb. Okay. We'll be right back. Run all the crap off the tires. Nasty road. All sorts of fun things. Oh, that's nasty. That's what I'm talking about. Ugh. Ugh. And the temps dropping is so nice. I love this kind of weather, but I have mixed feelings about it because that kind of signifies like the optimal riding season is coming to an end. I need to get them higher. I went back through and looked at my videos and I realized I really only ever like just kind of pop it up and set it down. I never really actually tried to ride them out or chase them or whatever. I definitely don't want to play a balance point on this bike. I know I can get them a little bit higher, and the higher I get it, the further I can chase it. I want to be able to chase it comfortably, and I want to be able to control it as I'm chasing it and not just like be twitchy. All I'm going to say is until you've wheelied a 600, you have no idea how hard wheelies on 600s are. The pop is everything. And if your front wheel's in the air successfully and it starts to drop and you're not aggressive with the throttle to bring the front back up, it's just gonna float back down. Like there's not enough torque to just bring it back up like that. So all I'm gonna say is if you haven't wheelied a 600, maybe you should try it. It's a different experience, but I'm not super comfortable yet bringing it like all the way up right away, and so that's why I can't ride it out. But I'm working on it. We're trying to make progress. That's what it's all about. If it comes up squirrely like that, I'm not bringing it any higher. I'm not that comfortable yet. I'm just gonna set it back down. Just gonna set it back down and try again. I have said this over and over to all my friends. I do want to get something that's a little bit more comfortable to like hoon and commute on and stuff, because like this is my baby. I don't want to loop it or like mess it up, you know? Like it's my baby. Like it's fun, but like I want to like take this to the track and, you know, get good at this kind of thing. I want to like have fun in the squiggly bits. Like highway pulls, if you have the money to build a fast bike, you're gonna win a highway pulls. You have the money to go out there, get a leader bike, build it, stretch it, build the engine, maybe even turbo it. It's all about money at that point. Money, twisting the throttle, and shifting, which anyone can do, right? The track is really the only thing that matters. Like, the track is where I want to go to show off. And I'm not even that fast. I'm not claiming to be a fast boy or anything. I by no means am fast at all. I am mildly average at best. Why would you push it on the street? Just go to the track where you have runoff if you run wide in a corner, so you don't run into a tree or a guardrail or another car or something like that, you know? Like, don't be pushing it on the street. That's just dumb. Like, yeah, you can go fast on the street. Like, that's not really a big deal. But on the street, ride within your limits. Don't be pushing it. Don't be playing at the limits of traction. Whew. That never gets old. Moron. Can't see past your truck. I can't see past your honey mustard, bro. Come on. Come on. And after riding my friend's bike with the quick shifter, I definitely want to get a quick shifter. That is definitely the next thing that's going on this bike. The next big thing, at least. I actually wanted to get an auto blip for it, but I realized with it being a mechanical throttle cable, it's not ride by wire. Blippers are basically impossible. I found one blipper, but it uses a vacuum pump to actually like actuate the throttle, to blip the throttle cable on D-cell, where when you downshift, it has to be installed like on the throttle body. I'm not doing that. I can live without an auto blip. I just wanted to get one because it was fancy, but quick shift up would be, oh, so nice. Looks like we're here. Damn. Always sketchy about this. Always sketchy about this kind of stuff. We got this. Out of my way. Sorry to disturb your peace. I'm not trying to disturb your peace. I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh no. I just want to have some lunch. Man, the leaves are starting to turn. Woo, my favorite time of the year. Well guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here as I'm putting along home. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel and the TikTok and the Instagram and everything lately. I really appreciate it. And for a little bit I wasn't really uploading very consistently, but I'm trying to get better at that. This is just a fun thing for me. I love riding, I love making the videos, I love bringing you guys along with me for the adventure. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like on the video. Don't forget to leave a like. Leave a like on the video. Comment what your favorite pair of riding shoes are, or boots. Boots are probably better. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.